You can see straight away Basit Ali is looking to be aggressive.
Oh, a little bit of extra bounce.
He's got a lovely whip of his wrist and gets it behind, and that's what gets that pace.
Cries of catch it, but it's found the gap. It was in the air past that inner ring. Thinking about coming back for the third, and they do that quite comfortably. Basit Ali's away.
He just sat in the surface. I think he's wanting to hit this a little bit squarer. Because it came off quite slowly, he ended up having to put it just past extra cover, who was probably a little bit squarer. I think if it had been a bit straighter, that would have gone straight to him.
What a shot that is. My goodness, pick the bones out of that.
Have a look at this. Cross seam on the up. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Whatever form of the game, that's what you want to see. Let's watch his position. Easy look at the top arm. Doesn't look to overhit it. Not really foot movement getting towards the pitch of the ball. It's just hands, balance and timing.
Just a little bit of a skip at the end as well. Final four. Edge finds the gap. Races away for four.
Tayyab Arif again trying to just use his hands. This one just slightly goes away. Oh, he's feeling for it a little bit more. First slip is wide. Not sure even if it had been in the right position that would have carried. It had to be really close. The keeper and the slip should be the same distance. And actually, as he was running into bowl, then he was actually walking forward, wasn't he?
Yep, he was. In Shab's first over. Sparring at that.
Yeah, I'm a bit surprised that he took slip out.
Just over the top. And that's going to trickle away for a boundary. First ball the over.
Yeah, full. Ismail is just trying to look for a little bit of swing and is just slightly over pitching, a little bit wide as well. Is making it that Basit Ali can just try and get his hands through it, just loses a bit of shape. Whether he's trying to overhit this, and that's exactly what he's doing. See how his back leg collapsed as well?
Again.
Just relax. It's a good piece of bowling. He is allowed to bowl your ball that can just move. Not every ball is going to be straight for you. He's trying to overhit it. It's good cricket, this. Sharks trying to look for early wickets. Basit Ali trying to carry on the form he's been in. And I think he's probably just taking a bit of time out. His gloves now taking him off. Settle down.
Oh, he's picked that up beautifully. What a wonderful shot that is.
That's why he's a good player. Even though the first couple of deliveries he lost shape, Ismail just goes a little bit shorter. Look how quick he is on this. Decent pace, remember, this isn't 70 miles an hour. This is probably mid-80s. It's dispatched over mid-wicket. He's thinking I should have gone a bit fuller again.
And that one just holding its line a little bit longer.
Yeah, lovely seam position. Just creates a little bit of an angle going back in and just holds off the seam.
That's a nice drive. 4 runs, all on the carpet.
Yeah, full again, looking for that swing. Just over pitched it. He's not going to miss out, Basit Ali. Get on top of the bounce and get it past mid-off. His third boundary so far. He's 17 from 11.
Annoyed with that boundary, I think, Shab. Good comeback, shorter delivery. Good carry. Oh, bit of a stare as well. Bit of a Dominic Cork stare.
Wing away.
So 4 overs gone, 25 for none. Aftab now into the attack. A bit of movement in towards the right-hander.
Yeah, he's a different type of bowler. You can see that he runs up quite straight and then jumps wide. Watch his wrist position. You see how it's pointing towards fine leg. So his natural delivery is back into Basit Ali. Interesting to see if this is a slower ball or just... Oh, it's a seam up. Just died in the surface a little bit. Remember, this is the third match on this pitch. One last night, one this afternoon, and this match 12 now. It's played all right to now.
Nicely worked off his hip. No ball called. Just one bounce. About a yard or two short, that's all.
He just saw the length of the delivery. And it is a no ball, you can see with that, but I think he was always looking to go over mid-off. Extra cover, and sliced it away over point.
Oh, it's a very, very slow delivery, and it ended up right in the block hole. That takes some doing.
Free hit. It's like an off spinner that just comes out the top of the hand. Franklin Stevenson from a long time ago used to bowl that delivery. That is a blast from the past.
I still think the best slow ball I've ever seen, or not seen, one of the two. Oh, that's nicely whipped away on the leg side for 4. That'll be annoying for Aftab after working hard in that over. 11 from it, 5 gone, 36 for none. Just sliding leg side a fraction. Just started to go a bit too early. The line wasn't quite right.
That was very close to the stumps and to the pad. What's been good about Arafat Minas with the ball is that he's kept it simple. He hasn't tried different things in an over. He knows that the pitch will do half of his work. Just bowl into the wicket. It's not easy to hit it around. Third match in a row on the same pitch. And he's got that length. They're so immaculate. Power play is done. 38 for no loss.